welcome back to Charity Farms. My name is Teresa, but you can call me T. Today, we're going to talk about aloe vera. For the most part, people see aloe vera as just a plant that will help you with sunburns or second-degree burns, but aloe vera is so much more than that. You can buy aloe vera in the store. They have many things in there. You'll see aloe vera in healthcare, in the CVS for burns, where you can actually buy the aloe vera, but you also see it in hand sanitizer. You see it in lotions. You see it in shampoos and conditioners. You can also see it as something that you will digest. And you can also find it in your toothpaste. There are so many things you can do with aloe vera. The downside with buying at the store is you don't know how that aloe vera was processed at all. You don't know the chemicals that were used. You don't know the ratio that they're using compared to the other chemicals that they're putting in. You don't know hardly anything of what's going on with it. Now, if this is all you can do, by all means, please do so. Do what you feel is best for you. What I'm going to show you is how to process aloe vera. I have a great deal of aloe vera that I must process, and I do it yearly because I freeze them and I can use it for hair products, face masks, getting rid of acne, getting rid of second-degree burns, helping with psoriasis, eczema, which I do have. It helps with your hair to get any grease, to clean it, or to make it look thicker, to shine it. It actually brings back elasticity into your skin. There are so many benefits to aloe vera. So I'm going to show you how to, but there is a wrong way. There is a wrong way and a right way to do it. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't understand that with aloe vera, just like any other plant, they have something in there to protect them from other animals so they can actually grow up to produce our seeds to grow more. Now, I will tell you that when you process aloe vera, it doesn't smell pleasant. It smells like stinky feet, or if you process a lot of it like I do, it smells like a very sweaty locker room area after a magnificent football game. It doesn't smell pleasant. The yellow is the latex that you need to get rid of. And a lot of times when I'm explaining what that latex is, what people say when you might have this allergic reaction or this might be happening, it's because people don't drain the latex. And that would be the other reason of, if you buy something from the store, do you know how it was processed? You can digest the latex if you have a strong stomach or if your doctor recommends it, but it's not something I would recommend. It was something that I would actually give it to, if it's something your doctor says. I put my aloe vera in smoothies. You can put it in toothpaste. You can put it in your hair. There's a lot of stuff you can do. And I hope this video helps you. And I hope that this video educates you so you see the benefits of aloe vera and how God just gave us what we need. We don't have to rely on pharmaceutical companies or FDA to get these ingredients or these nutrients that we do need. He did provide it for us. So here's a video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's do a Google search for the health benefits of aloe vera. The first thing that shows is Medical News Today, showing that they have 9 health benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant with antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera benefits can include reducing dental plaque, accelerating wound healing, preventing wrinkles, and managing blood sugar. It contains healthful plant compounds. This cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and food industry use aloe vera extensively, and the plant has an estimated annual market of $13 billion globally. Aloe vera is known for its thick, pointed, and fleshy green leaves, which may grow to be about 12 to 19 inches or 30 to 50 centimeters in length. Each leaf contains a slimy tissue that stores water, making the leaves thick. This water-filled tissue is the gel that people associate with aloe vera products. The gel contains most of the beneficial bioactive compounds in this plant, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Antioxidants are important for health. Aloe vera gel contains powerful antioxidants belonging to a large family of substances known as polyphenols. These polyphenols, along with several other compounds in aloe vera, help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infections in humans. Aloe vera is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. This is part of why it may help heal wounds and treat skin problems. It accelerates wound healing. People most often use aloe vera as a topical medication, rubbing it onto the skin rather than consuming it. In fact, it has a long history of use in treating sores and particularly burns, including sunburns. The United States Pharmacopoeia described aloe vera preparations as a skin protectant as early as 1810 to 1820. Studies suggest that it is an effective topical treatment for first and second degree burns. A review of experimental studies found that aloe vera could reduce the healing time of burns by around 9 days compared with conventional medication. It also helped prevent redness, itching, and infection. The evidence for aloe vera helping heal other types of wounds is inconclusive, but the research is promising. It reduces dental plaque. Tooth decay and diseases of the gum are very common health problems. One of the best ways to prevent these conditions is to reduce the buildup of plaque or bacterial biofilms on the teeth. In a study of 152 school children, ages 18 to 14 years, researchers compared an aloe vera mouthwash with the standard mouthwash ingredient chlorhexidine. After 4 weeks of use, the aloe vera mouth rinse decreased plaque, gingivitis, and salivary streptococcus mutans, a plaque-producing bacterium, making it comparable to that of chlorhexidine. Another 2021 study concluded that aloe vera mouthwash is an effective natural alternative to chemically formulated mouthwashes. Aloe vera is also effective in killing yeast found in the mouth. It helps treat canker sores. Many people experience mouth ulcers or canker sores at some point in their lives. These usually form underneath the lip, inside the mouth, and last for a week. Studies have shown that aloe vera treatment can accelerate the healing of mouth ulcers. A 2022 review of 9 randomized controlled trials concluded that aloe vera treatment can accelerate the healing of mouth ulcers better than other interventions. It also offers a short healing time. An older study, aloe vera gel not only accelerated the healing of mouth ulcers, but also reduced the pain associated with them. It reduces constipation. Aloe vera may help treat constipation. This time, it is the latex, not the gel, that provides the benefit. The latex is a sticky yellow residue present just under the skin of the leaf. The key compound responsible for this effect is called aloin or barbaloin, which has well-established laxative effects. However, people have raised concerns about safety with frequent use. For this reason, aloe latex has not been available in the U.S. as an over-the-counter medication since 2002. Contrary to popular belief, aloe vera does not appear to be effective against other digestive conditions such as IBS or inflammatory bowel disease. It may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. There is some preliminary evidence to suggest that topical aloe vera gel can slow aging of the skin. A 2009 study of 30 females over the age of 45 taking oral aloe vera gel increased collagen productions and improved skin elasticity over a 90-day period. Reviews also suggest that aloe vera could help the skin retain moisture and improve skin integrity, which could benefit dry conditions. It lowers blood sugar levels. People sometimes use aloe vera as a remedy for diabetes. This is because it may enhance insulin sensitivity and help improve blood sugar management. A 2021 review concluded there is a moderate to high quality of evidence in favor of the effects of aloe vera in patients with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. However, the quality of these existing studies is not ideal, so scientists do not currently recommend using aloe vera for this purpose. It potentially helps hair growth. The benefits of aloe vera for the hair have mainly been studied in relation to seborrheic dermatitis, a skin condition that causes a reddish rash with crusty yellow-white scales, usually on the face and scalp. One older study indicated that aloe vera significantly reduces itchiness, scaliness, and affected area size in those with the condition. Given that seborrheic dermatitis can lead to temporary hair loss, this underscores aloe vera's potential for promoting hair growth. How to use aloe vera. Aloe vera can come in various forms, including a topical gel or ointment. It can be used in its raw form, or it can even be consumed as a liquid. What are the risks? Aloe vera is a safe remedy with few known side effects. The NCCIH say that topical use is likely safe. That said, the oral use of aloe vera may cause stomach cramps or diarrhea due to its laxative effects. There have also been some reports of liver injury associated with oral forms of aloe vera. Also, there may be risks associated with non-decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera. This form of aloe vera is taken from the plant's leaf and is not filtered to remove cancer-causing chemicals. Indeed, the NCCIH report that non-decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera seems to be associated with cancer risks in rats. The summary: aloe vera has a range of therapeutic properties, especially as an ointment for the skin and gums. People can use bottled aloe vera gel or take it directly from the leaf of an aloe plant. Aloe vera juice has different uses than aloe vera gel. Oral options should contain decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera to minimize risk. A person should always speak to a doctor before using aloe vera products to treat a condition. As you can see, this aloe vera plant is overgrowing its container. To remove the leaf from the aloe vera plant, go to the very bottom base. Ideally, you want to do the very bottom one, but I cannot because it's outgrowing. Because I know I'm going to go as far up as here, I'm going to go ahead and cut right there and continue on down with the rest of them. Fun fact, one of the many things I love about aloe vera is when it flowers, which mine are doing, it brings hummingbirds as they enjoy this delicious nectar. Now that I have given this aloe vera room to breathe and grow, I now have 4 buckets of aloe vera leaves to process. You can see that this aloe vera plant will be able to thrive in the next couple of months now that it can stretch out. The first thing you want to do is drain out this yellow latex. It does have a stinky feet smell to it. I find it easiest with a large harvest to clean my sink and fill with cold water. As I cut my aloe vera to a smaller size, I'm also removing the prickly sides and will put that into my compost. Once the sides have been cut, I will throw it into my sink with cold water and let that sit in a water bath for 30 minutes. You will see the water has a slight yellow tinge to it. This is the yellow latex that I am removing from my aloe vera. I will drain this water and fill it up again. I will let my aloe vera sit in the water for another 30 minutes. I'm going to repeat this process until the water remains clear after the 30-minute bath. What I find easiest to remove the skin from the flesh after the yellow latex has been removed is to cut the thicker sections of the aloe vera into thirds. Then take a spoon and place it directly under one of the skins and scrape it off. From there, you want to place your spoon in the center of the flesh and scoop it down, then out towards the bottom of the flesh. Place your flesh in a bowl. Once you have completed removing the flesh from the skin, place your flesh in a blender until smooth. Place the blended aloe vera into a sieve and remove the pulp. Keep the pulp, as this can be used for your hair to help give it moisture, and you can brush your gums with it as well. Once all your pulp has been removed from the liquid, you will now pour your liquid into ice cube trays or silicone containers. Freeze them until solid, and now you can use them for homemade smoothies, herbal teas, sanitizer, or moisturizers. Ooh, that's a lot of work. A lot of work. I will fair warn you that when you do work with aloe vera, because there are pricklies, if you have a lot that like I do, that I was working with, you want to probably wear gardener gloves to actually process it, because the pricklies do hurt. Unless your hands are calloused and you get used to it, which mine are. I'm used to the pricklies, so that doesn't really faze me too much. But I will fair warn you that they do prick and they do hurt. They don't stay in, but they hurt. So that's a fair warning. I hope this gave you new insight to aloe vera, the wonderful benefits, and how to process. Please let me know in the comments below how you use aloe vera, and if there was anything new and useful that you learned in this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, you have a great day. God bless you. Bye.